For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Supreme Court modified its earlier order that put a stay on the organization of the annual Jagannath Rath Yatra in Puri in Odisha. The apex court has held that the temple authorities and Odisha government can decide about holding the Rath Yatra. A bench headed by Chief Justice S.A. Bobde and comprising Justices Dinesh Maheshwari and A.S. Bopanna heard multiple pleas seeking a review of its June 18 order. The Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde observed that the court will not do any micromanagement of Rath Yatra and will leave it to the best wisdom of the responsible state government. The court also said that the state will assess the ground situation and, if required, take steps to restrict the festivities. The apex court made it clear that it was hearing applications to allow the Rath Yatra in Puri only and not in the entire state. The centre and the Odisha government had filed petitions in the top court against cancelling the Yatra. The petitioners urged the court to allow the Yatra without public participation. Appearing for the centre, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta stated that the health of the people undertaking the Rath Yatra will be taken into account. Appearing for the centre, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta stated that only people testing negative for the novel coronavirus and working in the Lord Jagannath temple would be part of the ritual. He further pleaded that if Lord Jagannath will not come out tomorrow, he cannot come out for 12 years as per traditions. Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde said that the Odisha government will have to act responsibly to contain the spread of the pandemic. Senior Advocate Harish Salve, appearing for Odisha government, assured the court. Senior Advocate Harish Salve told the court that if cases rise, it will reflect badly on the Odisha government and that the government will take care of it. Union Home Minister Amit Shah expressed happiness over the top court's decision. Considering the urgency and importance of the matter, it was placed in front of a vacation bench of the Supreme Court and the hearing took place this afternoon, which paved the way for the important decision by the Supreme Court. Congratulations to the people of Odisha. Jai Jagannath. Hailing the Supreme Court's decision, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik tweeted, Jai Jagannath. Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas Dharmendra Pradhan welcomed the top court's decision. I welcome the momentous decision of Honorable Supreme Court to allow Rath Yatra celebrations in Puri without the congregation of devotees. When it comes to matters of faith, traditions and sentiments of crores of people, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has always led from the front to uphold them. The apex court had in its June 18 order earlier cancelled the Yatra citing concerns over public health and safety of people amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The court pointed out that Lord Jagannath won't forgive us if we allow it. The world-famous Rath Yatra has been conducted uninterrupted for 285 years.